Hello, viewers. I hope everyone is passing good time in your life. Today, I'm going to show this design which you are already watching. I am going to show a specific process how you can do this. I mean, you can do it in your katha, or you can use it in your interior design also. I mean, whatever you want. So let's see the process. Okay, before I start, I would like to say that you may use your bangons, especially I'm talking about women who want to do this design in your katha. You can use your bangons to make the design easier because it's all about circles. I think it's the best and easier process. Okay. So my preference is 1.5-inch radius or 3-inch perimeter for the base circle. I mean, if you, but it depends on you. If you want something else or some other sizes, you can use it. But it's completely depends on you. Okay, and now come to the main process. Here we need to draw some rhombus which should have 4-inch length and 4-inch width. Once we finish drawing the rhombus, now we will see some hexagonals are visible here. See, there are some hexagonals. So these hexagonals are actually our target point. We'll draw circles in every hexagonals. So see, the first one, the first hexagonal. If we choose this one, we are drawing a circle into this, and then next and the next hexagonal. So by this we will finish other one also. Okay, see, another hexagonals are also visible, so we'll draw circles here also. Or if I make it easy to understand, we may say we will use another circle to join these two circles. I think it's easier to understand. So see, they are joining. Okay, so this is our first round, which is done. Now we have another step which we need to do. See, see, these two circles are connected with each other, right? But these two circles are still separate. So we need to join them as we have done it previously. So, I mean, we'll repeat the first step in our second step. Okay. Okay, the design is complete now. So now let's change the color. See, the the main process is actually done. So what we will do now is, see, there are two types of circles are connected with each other. Like one is connected from inside, another one is connected from outside. So what we need to do actually, if we want to keep the inside circle, we need to erase the outside circle, I mean outside part. And if we want to keep the outside part, we need to remove the inside part. I'm repeating again. See, if we want to keep the inside part of the circle, we have to erase the outside part. And if we want to keep the outside part we need to keep erase the inside part. So by this we will be able to get our the main design. Okay, I don't know how much you understood, guys, but I tried to make it easier. But what I feel that if you watch it 2 or 3 times, I feel you'll be able to understand easily. So thank you so much for watching me. Stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.